Hey YouTube, Darren here. Just kind of an update as to what all's going on. I've got Kudzu set up on jack stands, and I'm going to get ready to take the tires off and take the transmission out, and then we will dig through that thing and look at it and hopefully get it put back together and get it back on the road. So hopefully it shouldn't take too terribly long. And right now we're about to go look at some transmissions. Okay guys, we're back. Here is what I have to choose from. I have a 6-speed shift on the fly transaxle, and I have a 5-speed transaxle I can choose from. That one's an automatic transmission. This is a 4-speed, but it has hubs welded on it. I think I'm going to save that for another project actually. So if I can't rebuild that one, I'm going to, I've got the 5-speed or the 6-speed to choose from. There's my daughter, one of my daughters over there. She did not want to be in the video. You sure you don't want to be in the video? Okay, it's not on or anything. I'm just holding it up at you. Dad. Okay. She said quit. More to come. I am looking at this. This is a 13.5 Kohler side shaft engine. And I'm looking at it, and then I'm looking at my Yerf dog. It's an adult sized go-kart, which is the really nice thing about it. It's actually long enough you can put your legs out, or I can put my legs out. I'm looking at it and wanting to bolt it in here. I may do that. I really like these go-karts. They're not too bad. The only problem I've ever had out of them is on the cheaper ones you don't have a reverse, and that's always been a pain in the butt. So I may go ahead and do something with this after I get that transmission in Kudzu. I don't know. Y'all tell me. Tell me what you think. More to come.